On today's episode of Watch JR Go, it's time to go enjoy an R8 with no check engine light that I can drive now. A tuned R8 with no check engine lights? How's that for a twin turbo car? Let's go help out some kids. What is going on, guys? I am Watch JR Go, and today we are going to a trunk or treat, maybe multiple, but just one for now. Let's go hit Walmart. We're gonna buy a bunch of candy, fill up the frunk, which is kind of the perfect car for that because you get to back it in and candy holder. Yeah. So anyway, we're headed there. We're gonna buy some candy and head over to this, I think it's a pretty big event. We got Quentin here. You've probably seen his Mustang on 1320 and elsewhere. And of course he brought his Japanese Mustang. Let's go.
Style points. Style points.
What do we do here? So many decisions. I think we're gonna start with that, and then this, and then where's the? I need some giant assortments too. Where are giant assortments? Ah, here we go. Here we go. The orange cream one though is amazing. Real good. That's all Snickers. I want something else.
Another aisle?
Hold on. There's some like right here. Here we go. We found
the good stuff. Candy on candy on candy and more candy?
I think that's better. And then we need some like not chocolate.
Not chocolate.
Yeah.
Twizzlers.
But just full-size packs of Twizzlers just to make everybody mad. Perfect.
Here's an entire bag of Twizzlers.
I love it. All right.
Or the Mega Straws.
The what?
The like big twists.
Dude, there is nothing that's not chocolate. That one has dots in it, so I'm in. All right, let's roll. That'll work. All right, let's use this front for what it's meant for. So we got $60 in candy, which is pretty funny. And we also got 3 rolls of duct tape for any kids that want to be, you know, working on their parents' stuff. I figure that's like basically helping humanity. Reese's, classic choice. Duct tape, $1 rolls of duct tape. That'll definitely make a difference in someone's life. Some more Snickers. We got the Child's Play, obviously. More duct tape. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
But wait, there's more.
There is more. We got a whole nother bag. We are good to go. This is a pretty solid one. It's too bad it doesn't have 3 Musketeers though, because 3 Musketeers crushes all, as you guys know. This is the one where we try each other's favorite candy. Did I get your favorite candy, Quentin?
No.
Oh man, I failed.
Didn't give me a payday, bro.
Okay, well, I would have not tried your favorite candy.
It's simple.
Ah! Go in your frunk. This is we're going to the frunk retreat after this. Okay, this is the last one. There we go. All the Twix. Every style of... Okay, I think I actually got 2 bags of this, but whatever. Cool.
Nailed it.
All right, so as long as this doesn't overheat, because the radiator is obviously like right here, we should be good. But it's not like the GTR trunk, it will be like, it'll melt anything that's in its trunk, but this thing's probably reasonable. It's a street car. We made it. Here we go. See if the candy's melted. That's really priority 1.
Pull one out.
Oh, it's not melted. Yeah, that's a good call. I need to eat about half of these. All right, well, let's go walk around and check this out. We got some cool stuff here. All right, we're getting additional candy from the Midwest Garage guys now.
The ammo reserves.
Ammo reserves. Thanks, Caleb. All right, let's do this. Quentin's driving an R8 for his first time.
All right.
It's gonna be funny. Hey, nice, you did it. Later, guys. C8.
I don't know what's happening.
For sure. So this place is kind of cleared out. We gave away a lot of candy, but we have more candy to give away. There we go. Nice. Okay, we've infiltrated another trunk or treat. This time, it's not even a car show. It's just normal cars. And I figured we'd just pull up and give away the rest of the candy.
It's some regular traffic. You might as well put it in there.
Regular cars. That's what we're doing here. And we are back from the last trunk or treat now. And I think we did a pretty good job here. Let me hit the button. Any day now button. There we go. Wow, this thing it had a lot of candy in it. And after this last one, there were so many kids. We were absolutely crushing it. For a while, it was pretty funny because a lot of it was like kids not thinking there was any candy in here. But then they would come up and see it. Or I'd have to be like, yeah, come take some candy.
Here's a reenactment.
A reenactment.
Kids diving.
Oh, that was awesome, actually.
They were diving.
Yeah, parents would like lift their kids up upside down and put them in the front end. It worked out really well. So if you're doing this yourself in a 911 or an R8, Lamborghini, whatever it is, take a box, level the whole trunk off, and then fill the top part. It'll be a lot easier. Like a couple pieces of cardboard would go a long way towards making this simple. I thought about just sprinkling the candy all over like that, you know, on all the plastics. Then they would have known. So it was a lot of fun. I got to see a bunch of kids, cool costumes. Happy Halloween. I know it's one day till, so hopefully you guys are out enjoying that with your kids or giving away candy or enjoying the weather, you know, doing whatever it is you do. And I drove this thing around all day with no check engine light, so I feel like this was a very car focused video. It was kind of impressive. We did yesterday, while Josh and I were working on his Ram, we replaced one of the intake runner sensors. And when Mirza was here, we had deleted that logic and everything was fine. It was doing great, no check engine lights anymore. We just took out the intake runner checks. But then after we fixed that check valve in the intake system, we noticed that the intake runners were moving just fine. So one sensor was reading way too high, like 49% to 100, and the other sensor reads 14% to 100. Changed out the sensor, and now everything seems good to go. It's a W, man. I guess that means I can have my cake and eat it too, or at least have my brownie M&Ms and eat it too. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjargo.com where you get cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll talk to you next time. So we started the Atom and put it on the two-step for the first time ever. Here we go. We've never done this before on the new build. So, clutch in. I think I need to go longer. Did you see any fire?
Just a little smoke or something.
Okay, here we go again. I must not be waiting long enough. And here is the Jeep update many of you have been waiting for. It's not a good update, I promise you that. If you were getting excited right there, because it seemed like I was excited, it's not good. So now we've had a locksmith come here with basically the exact same thing. He brought an X-Tool scanner, which is another OBD scanner that can do key programming and stuff, but it didn't have any capabilities beyond what I have with the Autel. It wasn't like the Autel IM or anything. He did the exact same thing. We used the PIN code that I had, which is valid. That was all fine. He made a new key, brand new transponder key. It's the right one. I verified with another locksmith that's a subscriber. Huge thank you to you guys that really, really know this system inside and out, and were sending me tips on like if the key is the wrong color gray, it's an S, and the S won't work in this old school Century system, stuff like that. Well, we have the right key here. It's a keys to go. That's what the K2G means. And we programmed it to the car. It took both of these keys, and it will not start with them. So we've absolutely given up on that, but the headlights are all done. Oh, we also did the 1 hour reset multiple times. That's why the battery charger is sitting out here, where you put the key in the ignition and wait 1 hour to clear everything, and no difference at all. So we have tried everything. But anyway, headlights are all in, all the bulbs are working. There you go, high beam and low beam, it just looks wonderful. I'm really happy about that. The new dipstick's in. This thing is wrapped, minus the fact that it won't start. Let me shut this off so we don't have to hear the dinging. So we're going to do the only logical thing, because I'm not gonna put this on a trailer and take the time to take it to the dealer and then end up paying, I would assume, for maybe an ECU, BCM, and Century module. What I'm going to do is just order another ECU that has Sentry deleted, and we're gonna get rid of that skim module. We'll just unplug it, hook this thing up, and it'll be good forever, and the next owners won't have any problems with it, which is a much better solution anyway. So we went through a lot of work trying to make this immobilizer magic happen, but at this point, it's taking too much time, and this thing's not worth putting that kind of time in it. So we'll just spend the 200 bucks on an ECU, and then out the door it'll go. Sure, it means I don't make 200 bucks, but it's fine. At least it's better for the next owner, and they won't have to have keys programmed and stuff like that. They can have them cut with a follower. Also, there's a lot of Audis in here right now. My A6 is back, getting some more magic from the headliner company. The S4's headliner finally going back in tomorrow. And of course, you guys saw the R8 all day today, living it up. If you actually want to buy the R8, 100% Jake took it out and took the for sale pictures. I have a feeling those are gonna look amazing. I'll have those in a couple days. That's when I'm gonna list it for real. But if you wanna buy it now, feel free to email me, watchjrgo@gmail.com, and let's make a deal.